How are you? I'm good. Good to see you. Happy.
Guys, done? Monica, really good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Tell us what you're expecting tonight from Haram Khor.
Well, I was told by Anurag that it's an amazing film, and I really trust his judgment. So I expect to be blown away.
Okay, do you have crush while studying in school or colleges on any of your teachers?
Did I have a crush on any of my teachers? Yeah, absolutely. I think it's very natural. Yeah.
Okay, what are you expecting?
I'm not going to tell you who though. It's private.
It's private.
Yeah.
What are you expecting from Nawazuddin Siddiqui? You know, though he's already.
I think he's one of India's finest actors. I'm always excited to see what he does.
Okay, what's happening on professional front on your end?
I'm working on a lot of music. So my last music video was voted by Rolling Stone as one of the top 10 music videos of 2016. And I'm trying to be one of the top 5 in 2017.
Why not commercial cinema in India?
I'm really interested in film. For all the directors out there, I'm here and I'm available.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Monica.
Oh, okay. I thought there's. Yeah. Start.
Sorry, sir. Really good to see you, Gohar. What are you
Thank you.
expecting tonight?
I'm expecting a great film and obviously great performances because look at the actors we're going to be watching. Really excited and of course very thankful that Guneet actually called me for it because I was really looking forward to watching Haram Khor. Yeah.
Okay, have you seen the trailer?
I haven't, but I've heard so much and I saw the listings where the films that everyone's going to watch out for and Begum Jaan was one of them. So I know that Haram Khor was one of them also. So.
क्योंकि ये फिल्म टीचर और स्टूडेंट के रिलेशनशिप पे है, क्या आपको किसी पे क्रश रहा अपने स्कूल टाइम पे या कॉलेज में?
नहीं यार, I went to a all girls school जहाँ पर mostly teachers सिर्फ ladies थी तो नहीं ऐसी कोई या ऐसा कोई टीचर नहीं था जिससे हाँ of course जो लेडी टीचर्स थी उनसे बहुत बेहद प्यार करती थी क्योंकि मैं एक geek थी. I always wanted to impress all my teachers and they loved me and I loved them.
Okay, apart from this, what happening on professional and what's then pipeline?
I'm looking forward to Begum Jaan, Badrinath Ki Dulhania, all happening in March, so I'll speak about it when it releases.
Okay, Begum Jaan is too early to talk about. Still want to know, Gohar, you know, is we going to see you in new avatar or something, or going to surprise us?
Yeah. I will talk about it when it's up for release. I have my PR meeting tomorrow.
Okay, you know, Vidya Balan, you're working with Vidya Balan.
Yeah, of course.
She is working with Vidya.
How's it been? It's a dream come true. I always wanted to work with her, and in a role like this, with her, I couldn't have asked for better. And of course, Srijit sir, he's a genius, and everyone will see that once the film releases.
We got the story. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Start here. Thank you. Stay here. Last one. Here. Stay here. Stay here.
What do I do? Change my face?
No. You can just come to the gym.
I've been going to the gym.
What are you expecting tonight?
Tonight, just an outstanding film. I'm standing with outstanding makers. And yeah, just an outstanding film.
Have you seen the trailer of the film?
I've seen the trailer and I think it's outstanding. And I think Guneet has been associated with really good films. Lunchbox they did, Masan they did. And I'm just happy and privileged to be invited for a screening like this.
ओके, टीचर और एक स्टूडेंट के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बताया गया है, उनके बीच में अफेयर प्यार दिखाया गया है। क्या आपके स्कूल टाइम पे आपको किसी पर क्रश रहा है?
ऐसा कोई भी स्टूडेंट नहीं है वो अगर बोले कि मुझे मेरे कोई भी एक टीचर पे क्रश नहीं था तो झूठ बोल रहा है, लड़का हो या लड़की। सर आप क्या बोलते हो?
100%.
ये मतलब झूठ बोल रहा है।
आपको रहा है किसी पे?
100% रहा है। उस टीचर इंग्लिश टीचर थी, उनका नाम था कैरोलाइन, और वही हमारा मोटिवेशन था स्कूल जाने का।
विकास,
मेरी टीचर का नाम था शिवानी मैम. शिवानी मैम, if you're watching this, please let me tell you once and for all that I have a huge crush on you till date.
ओके विकास, बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है फिल्म को। इतने विवादों के होने के बावजूद फिल्म को सराहाया जा रहा है। डू यू थिंक नाउ द बैटल इज वॉन?
Yeah, but I think Shlok is a great director. This is just a starting point. I am watching this film for the 4th time. So, and I love it so much because his craft is great, his humor is amazing, his storytelling is good, and everything that he does, that you need as a good filmmaker is out there in Shlok. So, I think, yeah, he's there.
मैं अगर फैंटम की बात करूं या अनुराग कश्यप की बात करूं या आपकी बात करूं या विक्रम की बात, जो आपका ग्रुप है, जो ग्रुप ना
होली खेलते हैं हम साथ
दोस्तों
में.
का जो
हाँ, हमारा जो होली का ग्रुप है. हाँ.
बहुत चुन के लोगों को निकालते हैं कि हाँ इसमें कुछ है। He was part of Gangster of Wasseypur and he's picked. Nawazuddin Siddiqui already started his career with Anurag Kashyap and he's picked. Now he's a star.
पर वो उल्टा भी होता है, वो भी हमको चुन चुन के निकाल लेते हैं कहीं से. So talent works both ways, right? The talent finds you, you find talent. One day you were talent, now you are someone who's finding. It's a vicious circle. It's beautiful, and I think it should continue like that.
Apart from Haramkhor, you are here to support the film. What's happening on your professional life?
I am only here to support Haramkhor, and that's the only path that I have in my professional career right now.
Okay, Jackie, what's
इसके पहले I was a haramkhor, now I've come to see the film.
on a serious note, what's happening on professional life?
Professional line, I'm going.
Pooja Films also announced one film.
Yes, Pooja Films is doing a lot of stuff. It's nice that finally we are getting to do films, both my sister and me. The films we believe in, and it's great time for the film industry.
We're
I
really
feel-
pursuing Pooja Films to help us make some films. Jackie, please यार कुछ दे यार पैसा वैसा.
सर मुझे काम दे दो एक्टर. Yeah, Mona Darling. Yes. Yeah. That's an interest. I have not seen the film.
थक नहीं कैसे खड़े हो मुझे.
I have not seen the film, but whatever I know of the film.
All for Haramkhor.
Yes, yeah. Haram.
Please watch it, guys. It's an absolutely fantastic film.
Thank you guys.